Unlock the secrets to seamless online security. Discover how to use LastPass.com to simplify your password management, keep your account safe, and enjoy hassle-free browsing. Say goodbye to forgotten passwords and hello to peace of mind. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use LastPass. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into LastPass.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So here we have the homepage as you can see. So what is LastPass? LastPass is a password management service that helps you securely store and manage your passwords. It generates strong, unique passwords for each of your online accounts. Enhancing your security with LastPass, you can easily autofill login details, saving time and reducing frustration. It syncs across all your devices, ensuring you have access to your passwords wherever you are. LastPass uses strong encryption to keep your data safe, giving you peace of mind. Say goodbye to password anxiety and hello to effortless online security. So this is what is LastPass.com. I will show you how you can get started. So you have just to click on get LastPass free. We have the two choice here. If you want it for your business, designed for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to enterprise, you click over here and you will find this page as you can see. So you have just to write your full name, your work email, your phone, your company, then you write your job title and you choose your organization size between 1 and 9. You can choose, then you click over start my free 14-day trial. And if you want the second one, which is personal, as you can see, we have here the personal one. You have just to click over the personal one and you'll find this page. Here we have create an account, you write your email address, your master password, and we have to just our minimum requirements here. For example, strength meter at maximum, at least 12 characters long, at least one number, at least one lowercase letter, and at least one uppercase letter. And we have here at least one special character, and we have here not your email. Then you have to confirm here, and your reminder, your optional here. Then you click over sign up. It's free as you can see. Then you will find this page. Here we have your account has been successful. Welcome to LastPass. Install the browser extension, then log in using the account you have just created. So you have just to go to your email address. As you can see, here we have the email that we receive from LastPass. We have here welcome to LastPass. We have your email address and your password here. And you have just to click over login LastPass to find your account. But before we have your tips for getting started, firstly we have add LastPass to your website, your web browser I mean. Then we have here add passwords to your vault. Then we have try autofill on your favorite websites. Then once you click over log into LastPass, you'll find this page. You have just to write your email address and the master password and you click over login. Then you will find the dashboard as you can see. So here we have welcome to your vault. When you save something in LastPass, it appears here. Passwords, payment cards, drivers, license. You save it, the vault stores it. So we have here various things and several options. I will show you how you can. We have the first step, which is add your first password. Every great LastPass journey begins with a single password. Try it. You click over it, then you will find this. So we have here password, secure note, address, payment card, or bank account. You have just to choose it. So I will click over this one. You have to write your URL here and your name, your username, and you write the folder here. For example, you select the one you want here. As you can see, then you have here the reset password also, and you write the notes. As you can see, then you click over save. Then we have the second one, which is import your existing password. Save time, import your password from another services. Here we have step 1 per 3. Where are your password now? So for example, choose Google Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and you choose the one you want, or you choose the other. Then we have add LastPass. Here we have a LastPass extension through browser. This lets you save and then fill passwords automatically. As you can see, here we have it. Then we have your other things like sharing center. As you can see, you have passwords here, you have notes. You can just click over here to add the name here and the folder. Then you write to whatever you want here, and then you click over save, and you will find it in the notes here. And if you here will find the passwords, then you have your addresses also. If you want to add addresses, I'll just write the title, your first name, middle name, your last name, username, gender. You have birthday here and your company, and you will click over save, and you will find it here in the addresses. Then we have your payments cards. As you can see, for example, if you wanna the name, you forget the card, and you can just add the name of card, the type, number, security code, start date, and it will have expiration date and the notes. Then you have security dashboard also. As you can see, we have your emergency access, account settings, we have advanced options and other things, and the LastPass we have a virus options. So after you sign up for LastPass, quickly boost your security by importing existing passwords from your browser. Use the built-in password generator to create strong unique passwords for each account. Then save your login details with one click for easy auto-filling. Enjoy hassle-free browsing while keeping your account safe. So this is how it works with this one. You can just get started, and we have here several things to know with LastPass. So LastPass is an essential tool for anyone looking to enhance their online security and simplify password management. By securely storing and autofiling your passwords, it allows you to focus on what matters most without the stress of forgotten login details. With its user-friendly features and strong encryption, LastPass empowers you to navigate the digital world with confidence. Make the switch today and take control of your online security. So this is how it works with LastPass.com. You can just get started as soon as possible. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. See you in another video.